Sure, it's an honour to be asked.
Were you surprised when they asked you?
I was. And I said that it wouldn't happen.
What, Paddy, are your memories of St. Patrick's Day growing up?
When I was growing up, he wore the shamrock. And you didn't buy it that time. You'd go in the field and dig up a lump, and there could be clover. So then I used to go and lure it 2 times to Athlone, or Athlone. And I did a big parade, and we used to step dance and dance sets on it. And I was supposed to do well anyway. And now I used to love it that time, and I was well able to dance. I was a great set dancer and step dancer.
Yeah.
And it was no trouble to me. Now when I'd hear a bit of music, especially the Sally Gardens, and Lord says I could tear it over it.
And what do you put down, Paddy, to your long life?
Oh, so my long life, I got a great wife. She was a great cook, but she was from Wexford, and she went to an agricultural school in Wexford. Ram's Grange was the name of it. And she learned to make brown bread and make butter, and she used to do that when she came to me. You know.
Very nice.
And many one that ever ate the brown bread had had to bring home a lump to their wives.
It was that good?
Yeah. Oh, Lord, it was lovely.
And
we had 6 apple trees in the garden, and she used to make lovely tarts. I never forget. Actually, I don't know, the hard work was it gave me great exercise anyway. And I'd say it was only from my knees and hips, and the spear didn't get them done. And I could be dancing the Sally Gardens now.